Fix internal error, CallSpawnServer, unexpected response, $0 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Install Windows updates. Method 3. Perform a malware scan. Method 4. Update .NET Framework. Updating the .NET Framework can help solve the issue, as this error can be caused by outdated or corrupted .NET Framework components. It is a software framework developed by Microsoft that is used to build and run Windows applications.